Hello everyone. Today we're diving into like भूल गया मुझे क्या था वो like today we are diving love. Hello everyone. Welcome to this super festive episode of Love It Listed. I am your girl Pranvi Arora and today we are diving headfirst into the Christmas magic. First off, the absolutely gorgeous Lee Meridian for its iconic tree lighting event. So let's go. बस आगे
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one-horse open sleigh.
love that and the vibe here is 10 on 10.
Jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Alright, let's get to the best part, the big countdown.
Let's do the unveiling of this Christmas tree on the count of 1, 2, 3, go!
Shake it and break it. Thank ya. All right.
We always begin our celebrations with unveiling of the Christmas tree. The Christmas tree every year that we do has a story, it has a concept, it has a theme, something that we believe in and something that we really want to celebrate. We are very watchful of two things, and one is the care for environment, and secondly we are very cautious about preserving the age-old crafts and arts of India. We really wanted to recognize the craft of the simple toys that we played with in our childhood. Something that we see on the streets but goes unnoticed.
Look at this tree, it's massive. It's literally the star of the season.
For the past 7 to 8 years, I've been doing sustainable installations. This particular year for Christmas, we worked with the Pinwheel fan makers. It's a craft cluster from Bombay. If you go to Juhu, you'll see them, selling these on the beach, but kind of elevating it from just something which is sold on the roadside and creating and integrating it into today's modern day interiors. It is made out of 5,000 pinwheel fans, and we worked with about 50 artisans. In a period of around 10 days, we were able to create the fans, and then it took us about a month to put it together.
This is what Christmas is all about. Joy, light and the little sparkles. Alright fam, the night has just been started. Next stop, cake mixing. Let's go. Nothing says holidays like the smell of freshly baked Christmas cake. And today we're diving into one of my favorite traditions, cake mixing. It's fun, messy and totally a festive vibe.
First of all, we're going to do the tree lighting ceremony, and as you know, we've got young kids with us, and they're from the NGO. So they're going to sing the carols for us, and started with the tree lighting ceremony, and then we move to our cake mixing ceremony, where we're going to mix the fruits or stew the fruits for the festival, and followed by the inauguration of the gingerbread house. This is what is lined up for us, followed by what we're going to do during the Christmas Eve or the entire festivity would be our 31st gala evening, where we have the artist called Navraj Hans. He's going to be here. He's going to be performing live in the hotel itself.
This table looks so amazing. What goes into the mix? This feels like such a fun tradition.
have selection of nuts. You have all the spices. So we soak it with different types of alcohol, and in the mixture, once it kind of absorbs all the alcohol, it will be used for the production of cakes and desserts for the festivities.
If it isn't already a tradition in your home, it's time to start one.
Christmas has always been about fantasies, right? The Santa Claus and the sleigh and the reindeers and the snowflakes and all that. I grew up in a British school, so my memories are even more deeper. But yeah, Christmas, I think the air reminds you of something very mystical, something more, it gives you a very happy feeling. Very early remembrance of Christmas time was when my housemaster in my school used to give us the plum puddings, and and we really used to look forward to it.
Whether it is decorating the magical Christmas tree or mixing the perfect cake, these traditions are what makes the holidays so special. That's it for today's episode of Love It, List It. Until next time, keep spreading joy and making memories. Bye.